On top of Castle Hill, on the eastern side of Castleshaw Valley, lies the remains of a Roman fort. Join us in this new series as we explore the reservoirs of Greater Manchester and beyond. Nearly 2,000 years ago, this bleak hillside echoed with the call of trumpets and the tramp of soldiers' feet. The Roman army built 2 successive forts on this prominent hillside. It was a good position with clear views up and down the valley. In time, a small civilian settlement grew up here too. The fort and settlement were abandoned when strategic priorities changed. This Roman fort, constructed 79 AD, is the possible location of the settlement the Brigantines called Rodundium.
The Brigantines were ancient Britons who in pre-Roman times controlled the largest section of what was to become northern England. Their territory, often referred to as Brigantia. During the Roman invasion in 47 AD, Rome had many allies among the Brigantines, and it is theorised that the settlement at Castleshaw was gifted to the empire. The Roman fort of turf and timber was redeveloped during a brief occupation and then slated and abandoned in 125 AD. This remote and exposed location lies along the Chester to York Roman road, which also passed through Manchester and Oldham. The road then continues to cross the Pennines at Standedge, where the area dips and narrows, creating a traversable path which would be guarded by the fort. The 2 nearest forts are at Mamucium, Manchester, 16 miles away, and to the west is Slack, which is 8 miles away.
By the 1870s, Oldham's population had reached 120,000. Parliamentary powers were obtained and 4 new reservoirs began construction. Engineers Bateman and Hill designed these reservoirs. Construction began on the 26th of July 1876. This is Redican Dean Reservoir, located south of Whitehill Trig Point on the Pennine Way.
The 4 reservoirs were completed between 1881 and 1883, costing £253,000, which is just shy of 31 million in today's money. Castleshaw Upper and Lower cost £225,965 to complete, nearly the total cost of the other 4 reservoirs combined.
This is Crookgate Reservoir, located just under Ripponden Road, the A672, and is the second highest of the 4 reservoirs. Dowry Reservoir is on Huddersfield Road, the A640, and feeds into the Bottom Reservoir, which is New Year's Bridge. Oldham's rapid growth meant the demand for water increased yet again, and on the 15th of May 1887 these reservoirs were built: Castleshaw Upper and Lower. Officially opened on the 30th of September 1891, the Castleshaw Reservoirs changed the face of the valley forever. Oldham Corporation, using steam shovels and navvies, transported the waste material from the dam's constructions down the tramway here to the village of Delft, where it was transported by Delft donkey back to Upper Mill.
Traffic on the nearby branch line increased during the construction of Castleshaw Reservoirs, which was served by Delft Station. Trucks were added to the back of the Delft donkey passenger services, and they conveyed stone from Ladcaster quarries in Upper Mill. When the reservoirs were complete, they had taken the place of the mills and people's homes which were once present in the valley. By the end of the 1800s, the busy settlements of Bleak Hay Nook, Castleshaw, Dean Head and Standedge Foot Farm were shrinking. As folk left, many buildings became redundant, empty or demolished, and nearby farms were abandoned. All plans to extend the Delft line to Castleshaw, using the reservoirs constructed railway, were soon forgotten. No people meant no demand for transport. The last Delft donkey departed in 1955. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra.